Hello guys, how are you doing? I am Dr. James. This part of my day is called Dent Repair, paintless dent repair. I have a body shop. I'm on my way to go take care of an insurance claim for a customer. And so this is episode 1 of Dr. James's Entrepreneurial Journal. And so how you guys doing today? I'm looking forward to going out here and trying to make this money, right? That's what it's about. This is a sunny day. Started more as a rainy day. We're here in the Dallas, Texas area. It was rainy, now it's sunny. Bright shine. Started my day, well, I actually started my day earlier, but I got a chance to maybe do this and start things that I really want to do. And so I made it to my customer's place of business as we speak. And for everyone that didn't get a chance to see the vehicle that I do a lot of my work in, it's right behind me. This is it. Yeah, so everyone need any dent repair done, paintless dent repair, body work, car detailing, carpet steam cleaning, fixed credit, so on and so forth, I can take care of you. You know my phone number. It's 469-765-5327. And I'll check back with you after a couple of jobs and let you know how my day is going. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless.